Hello guys and gals. I'm gonna do just a little walk around with my new to me 1972 Mustang convertible in screaming yellow. Just bought it about a week ago, and a lot of little things need to be fixed, but all around it seems to be in really good shape. Just old car stuff, really. Take a look inside. It's got a 351 Cleveland 2-barrel, supposedly a whole 168 horsepower. Woohoo! Nice. Gauge package looks like, as you can see, tach doesn't work. Pioneer radio, which for the life of me I can't figure out. I'm going to have to go online and figure that out. Shelby wheel, supposedly. Hi, there I am. Interior, very nice shape, as you can see. Hopefully it's morning. Everything looks good. Door panels are nice. This is a little chewed up, but that's not bad at all. Freaked out because there's just lap belts. That's kind of funky. And let's see what else. Got a nice cover for the top, and I guess I've unlocked the two locks, and for the top, and this is going to be my version pop of the top coming down. Oops. All right, looks like woohoo, look at that. And we have convertible. How cool is that? Nice. Alrighty, so I'm going to turn her off and we can do a little walk around. I think it has some kind of alarm on it. I keep getting the weird beep from that. Not sure what it is, but nice. This is the convertible cover. That's in great shape. The top looks relatively new. The glass window's good. Looks great. Roll down windows. Gotta love it. The paint is what I've said before, screaming yellow. I think the factory paint was a more kind of a milky yellow, but so I like the screaming yellow a lot better. It's got a lot more body to it. It is an H code, which is basically your standard Mustang. They added the they called it a tribute car, so that way they can put on the Mach I stickers and the hockey stick decals of the Mach I. So it is not a Mach I, but it has the brand new BF Goodrich TA radials. I believe they're 235 14s. I haven't looked, but the glass looks good. There I am again. She's dusty. It's a Southwest, so car sits for a minute and it's going to be dusty. For some reason the rear wing is on backwards, so I'm going to have to fix that. I don't know why people do that, but it's done. But the body looks good. Everything sounds solid. I don't hear any body filler. Ooh, 351 high performance. So that's probably a different kind of a sticker there. As is no dealer warranty. I wonder why that is. Good looking car. It's got the front spoiler on it. It's got actual a real Ram Air. Can't stand the I need to look inside to make sure all the stuff's there. It's not all connected up. Can't stand the yellow there, so that's going to have to be repaired. And let's see, I've got to get into the hood. I know the latch is in here somewhere. I just need to find it. I've done it before. Oh, is that it? Nope. All right, where did they hide it? It's probably obvious, but not to me. Oh, there it is. Hold on one second. Gotta open the hood. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Okay. Got it. Had to do the. Okay, there you go. Had to do the old long hood wiggle to get it up without kinking stuff up. Inside here, everything looks nice. Nice and clean. As you can see, it has all the ram air parts, but it's not connected up. I don't know why that's pinched off. That's going to have to be repaired. Let's see. The air conditioner pump, AC pump, and the, I think, condenser evaporator is missing. So I knew that. Horn doesn't work because it has a Shelby in there. But it does have the ram air. And let's see what else. It's pretty clean in here, but you know how they fix things up to look good. So still have to check the oil and all that fun stuff. But I love the ram air stuff. And I already put a hole in my skull from one of these guys. So I got little protectors ordered for that, so I don't do that again. I don't like bleeding from the skull. But that's up front. Looks like pretty new wires and everything in there. So she seems to run okay. I haven't been able to drive her much because I have to get insurance on it, and the steering is horrendous. Anybody with an old Ford and a recirculating ball type steering knows that once those get loose, they're hard to adjust, and they're just dangerous. Cars all over the road. And I only drove it home. I guess we'll go back to the trunk real quick. Standard trunk. Everything's been painted nicely. It's got this. Looks like it's got a tire cover. That's kind of neat. No spare. You can see it's been undercoated, even on the paint and stuff, but I'm not seeing any body work. So that's kind of cool. Rubber seems in good shape, so whoever did it did a decent job. Probably just didn't finish all the other stuff up, but that's basically it for the walk around. We'll give you a little side shot there. She is pretty. She's going to be a lot of fun in the summertime. And she's just a beauty. So I'm really happy with it. I was, once I get the things fixed, I was kind of disappointed when I got it. I just wish the salesman had been totally honest with me, because I asked a lot of questions, and there's stuff he knew and he just didn't let me know. It probably wouldn't have made a difference buying it, but it's the whole point of the thing, is just accurately describing things. But there she is, and so I'm going to call this wiggle, 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 wiggle. This is going to be the Sunday car for us, and go to the show, little shows and meets and stuff like that. And so this is our daily 2012 Shelby tribute car for the 67 Shelby. So I did that up as a tribute card itself. And then of course the 94 Cobra is in the works, getting the motor. I'm doing the motor and the body and all that kind of fun stuff. So, but it's all about the new big horse. So there she is. So hope you enjoyed this little video. See ya.